B. If the angle of elevation of B from A is 37, determine the angle of elevation of the midpoint of BC from D. So basically what it's saying is this angle is 37 and midpoint, and we're trying to find this angle. This is the angle we're trying to find. Right. So in order to do that, right, we need to find what BC is, or whatever that value is here, so that we can use this length CD to use a trig function to be able to find that, right? So in order to find the length of this midpoint to C, we can use a trig identity from 37, and we have this 80. This is adjacent and this is opposite, and therefore we're using tan. So tan of 37 is equal to BC over AC, and we know that AC is 80. BC is therefore 60.284 meters. Now let's name this point here as M. MC would then be a half of BC, and that's a half of the 60. That gives us 3.142 meters. Okay, so we have this value here, and this is, now we're looking for this angle. In relation to this angle, this is opposite and this is hypotenuse, and therefore, this is the length we're looking at, so it's opposite and adjacent. The 140 is not the hypotenuse, it's the adjacent length. Therefore, we have tan of CDM is equals to MC over CD CD is 140.55. That's from a question from before, and CDM is 12.1 degrees. So the angle of elevation is that. I also just need to say that let M be midpoint of BC. So just write whatever you are working with, basically.